to make a game pass in Roblox. Hi there, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to make a game pass in Roblox. To do it so, you have to follow the steps. Open the browser and go to roblox.com and log into your account. As logged in, this is going to direct you to the home page. Then what next you want to do is click on create from the top of the page. When you're taken to the create page, from the left hand side bar, go to creations tab. As you go to the creations tab, what you want to do is here, you want to go to your game, or you want to go to the place that you've created already. Then you simply want to scroll down a bit and you have this monetization section, right? Underneath you want to go to passes. After which what you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on create pass. As you do it so, you want to go ahead and upload the image, give a name for a pass, and add a description if you want, and if you're sure about it, click on create pass. And this is the simplest way you've created your pass. If you want to monetize it or if you want to place it for sale, then you just want to make sure to go ahead and click on it or click on the pass, after which it will take you to this page. You have this sale section. You could go ahead and place this item for sale. You could add the Robux as well, or the amount, and click on save changes, and you've successfully enabled the sale as well, and that's how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.